Let's see how to connect to a remote server with SSH in VS Code. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thank you. Alright, the first step is to go to Extensions. Here we'll search for Remote SSH. Click here and install the extension. Now click here, then here, and here we type the following: Remote SSH. Then click here. Here you'll need to enter the SSH connection command, the username, followed by an @sign, and then the hostname. Press enter, and click here. Then click on Open Config. Now go here, and click here. Click on the host. A new window will open, and you'll need to choose the operating system of your server. In my case, it's Windows. After that, you'll need to enter the password, and that's it. You're all set.